Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this ID card in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our ID card. Now first we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle. Now we will set the align of the rectangle. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will drag this rectangle and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will right click and we will select convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool from the toolbar. Now we will drag the node like this. Now we select this rectangle and we will fill color. You can see the color code. Now we'll select this shape and we will fill white color. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll drag like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll fill color and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select this and we will do Ctrl C to copy and we will do Ctrl V to paste. Now we will click on mirror horizontally. Now we'll change the color. Now we will drag like this and right click. Now fill white color. Now we'll select all and we will right click. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle with the Ctrl Shift. Now we'll fill color and we will remove the outline. Now we will drag inside with the Shift key and we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll fill white color. Now we have all these details and the picture. Now place this. Let's adjust the circles. Now we'll select the rectangle and we will drag and we will right click to make a copy. Now again we will make one more copy. We will drag and right click. Now fill white color. Now we'll select both and we will adjust the size. Now we select this image and we will adjust the size. Now we'll right click and we will select power clip inside. Now we'll click on this circle. Now we'll click on edit. Now we'll adjust the image according to the circle. Now we'll click on finish. Now we have all these details. Now we'll place this. We will select both and we will press C to align center. Now we'll change the color. Now we'll adjust the size. Now we'll place this details. Again we will align with the C. Now we'll change the color of the text. Now we'll underline the name. Now we'll select all this and we will change the color. Now we'll place this. We'll select both and press C. Now I'll change the color.
Now we'll
select both circles and we will adjust the size. So this is the front side of our ID card. Now we will create the back side. Now we select the rectangle and these two shapes and we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we'll select this shape and we will change the color. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will give a white color. Now we'll give a color to outline so it will be visible. Later on we will delete the outline. Now we'll select these two shapes and we will drag like this. Now we'll select the rectangle and we will drag like this. Now we'll right click to make a copy. Now we'll remove the outline of this rectangle. Now we'll place the website address on this rectangle. Now we'll place the logo, company name and the slogan here. We'll select with the shape and we will press C to align center. Now we have these other details. Now place this. Here we will place signature, join date, expiry date and the terms and conditions. We will draw a straight line with the 2-point line tool like this. Now we select all these details and we will adjust with the arrow key. We will drag. Now we'll increase the size of the website address. Now we will set the align. Now we'll remove the outline. So guys, our company ID card design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.